Heather with WTI. Check out my BINO containers. These are excellent for many uses. I keep some coffee pods in them, as well as in the refrigerator. I use them to organize all of this. It makes it easy to pop your condiments in and set it on the table. Easy to transport outside if you want to serve a meal outdoors, but have the ease of carrying it all out there in one container. They have both the soft grip and the non-slip lining to hold items in place. And it's a nice gray color. I really like that. These BINO organizers have many uses in our home. They're versatile enough to use in both beauty or in the office or in food storage. And they're the ideal size to help organize the refrigerator or any drawer space that you need help in. Excellent containers, very, very sturdy. They're the nice thick ones. I'm a fan of them. Hope you love them as well. That's my point of view.